themed 5G Plus by All for All. The 2022 World 5G Convention is being held from August 10th to 12th in Harbin, capital of Northeast China's Heilongjiang province. Participants at the convention seek to display their latest technologies and look for new business opportunities. Liu Leiqiang, a representative from Chinese technological giant ZTE Corporation, said at the event that the company has actively participated in the 5G construction in Heilongjiang, as the old industrial base has huge potential for further 5G applications.
依托黑龙江省的特点，我们已打造多个行业的5G 应用。下一步，中英通讯将联合运营商，加快黑龙江省的5G 建设速度，打造一张高标准、高质量、高可靠性的5G 精品网络。
China's 5G industry has embraced rapid development with continuous input. Currently, China has some 1.85 million 5G base stations and more than 450 million 5G end users, both accounting for over 60% of the global total.